Good day, everyone. By Ken. Also, introduction. Blame me. Talem setete. You may come. You may talk about Article 17A or 17B. Motram lo ting se hemi kut lo country blo yumi or no? I kut lo Vanuatu or no? You may no come lo talk about any nara ting. You may no come lo talk about any nara theory or any nara something where is it imitalem semi influence outside. 17A or 17B also will insertion you inside lo constitution blo yumi blo how now hemi help em country blo yumi. Blo yumi talk about hemi mo blo yumi answer em question ya. Yumi must ask him one say instability hemi kut blo country or no? And suppose for you have answer em question blo talem say no instability hemi no one kut for something blo country. Then article 17A or 17B but hemi come also one road, blow you me manage them instability or blow you me down them for simple instability will stop happening inside the country. Now, why number you need blow? Add them up. 17A will be inside the constitution. Or blow me amend them constitution blow talk about him. You may look him lot time where first legislature blow you me him start. Time we first legislature blow you me him start. Ikasem tete for simple politic inside law. Parliament, he change pick one. You may look him now, he can't move. Where he come out, law, fashion, law political groupings, will start work together inside law one political grouping. He come law one time where he stop showing law you me. Say all groupings shall stop proper. More institution, law political parties, he may no save holem title man. And so time we all something also will start law proper. You may need to then put them rules. Law how now, you may save holem title more control them. System all political parties inside more fashion blow work part inside law parliament play help me play you stop manage them house here. All rules here by help to play me put them back. Integrity inside law honorable house. Mumbai me help me play me put them back focus blow work blow parliament blow by me talk about development me vote law or law. Mo hemi make him work, blo hemi develop him country blo yumi. A mobi hemi come all same all rule. All rule no more. Blo hemi start with him blo work inside lo parliament blo yumi. Rule hemi talem say time where you come also an elected member inside the parliament. When you come also one member of the political party inside the parliament, one MP you must stop together, work together, vote together, move together with them party blow you. 17B hemi talem say suppose for you one independent candidate where you come inside, you make them choice blow you, blow by you join the one grouping. Mo you walk, move, mo vote together with them group here. Plo make them say you may vote law development. From you look one them stop happen is that now you come to one point where you know all groupings one group will represent them one majority or representation of people, but one individual him start to walk part away law party blahem. Hemi testify him say in need to put rules stop in place. Therefore rule hemi come in place, hemi talem no mo play you move together with them together. And if party blow you or group blow you, hemi talem say, you may want them vote, make them one Chinese law prime minister, or you want them make them one move away law government, you saw make them. But you must move all same one group together. Why not hemi give him too much focus, law on all political parties? From inside law one democratic system, privilege law freely from all political parties, privilege law joining all political parties, hemi part, law hemi road avenue, play me put more money inside law parliament, and therefore you must then put more rules play hemi. A mobi hemi come block keep him all rules here, block help him say one prime minister or one leader inside law time law one legislature hemi save look plo mekem development mo plane mol program plehem mo plane mol development plehem we hemi save mekem one MP hemi save mekem work plehem. You may look him example plo time where in the last legislature or the last legislature so hemi just pass you make at frequent change plo one minister. Na frequent change me make you say you cost it cost me plus stop one minister hemi come then hemi change the next one hemi come then hemi change hemi make him say movement ya one development no save happen lo one place mo minister ya or MP ya hemi no save bring him development come lo place play him from him concentrate to mas plus stop manage him will change time where you put him role hemi coincide lo manage him how one how say hemi work part inside the political grouping play him allow him lo one MP hemi save make him good work play him. Rules here, or 17 A and B, hemi come to blah hemi help him all political parties slowly build him up, leadership blah party blah gada. Hemi help him ogata blah stop together blah likarem every issue blah gata blah kitchen blah party hemi parliament hemi no come one place to me solve him kitchen problem blah kitchen blah party. You may shift hemi go outside lo place for political party hemi operate lehem, and where place where by then political party registration bill with the electoral political party registration act with the electoral act hemi save then help him olgeta only manage him political party and process olgeta big problem lo kitchinia hemi no come inside lo parliament lo cause him instability inside from you look him lo 1991 he come or years where hemi come big fella issue lo instability inside lo parliament hemi issue lo kitchen lo one political party no more. And place now you put them rule, you shifting what him up, focus plo honorable house, him make him development, more vote more laws, bring him development come Vanuatu, and leko him start kitchen you deal with him low. And low way him create him one by him save mold him.
Councillor, 7 minutes is up. You want to finish that sentence?
I mean rule him come him mold him one leader, him save so quality blame, holem title man blame. Thank you, Thomas.